everyone, welcome to Vagdevi Tutorials. Those who are new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe. Today in this video we will discuss about articles. There are three articles in English. There are a and the. So a and the are articles in English. A and an are called indefinite articles and the is called definite articles. So among a and the, a and the, a and an are indefinite articles and the is definite articles. Today we will see the usage of a and an in our daily usage. First we will see use of a and an. A or an is used before every singular countable common noun, a before consonant sound and before vowel sound. Vowel means how many vowels are there? 5. A, E, I, O, U. So before vowel sound we have to keep an, and before consonant sound we have to keep a. We will see some example. He is a boy of rare knowledge. Here we can see that a boy is darkened because a is used before consonant sound. Because here boy is a consonant sound, so we used a before boy. Next example. She is a girl of abnormal intelligence. So girl is also sounding like consonant sound, so we kept a before consonant sound. There is a book on the table. So book is also a consonant sound. It is like a consonant sound, so we kept a before book. I saw an elephant in the zoo yesterday. Here E is an vowel, so it is giving some vowel sound, so we kept an before vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U. Here E is a vowel, so we are getting some vowel sound here, elephant, so we kept an before vowel sound. Next, who takes an ink bottle is an Indian. So here I is giving some vowel sound because vowels means A, E, I, O, U. Here ink giving some vowel sound and Indian is also giving some vowel sound. So we kept an before ink and an before Indian. So where we are getting vowel sound we will keep an, and where we get the consonant sound we will keep a. Vowels means 5. 5 A, E, I, O, U. Before that words we will keep an. When there is a consonant sound we will keep a. Next, some more examples where we use a or an. A or an is used before the names of professions. So before the names of professions also we will use a or an. We will see some examples. My brother is a doctor. So here doctor is the name of profession. So doctor giving a consonant sound, so we kept a before doctor. So the next example, the woman in pink saree is a teacher. So teacher is also a name of a profession that is giving some consonant sound, so we kept a before teacher. Next example, my only brother is an engineer in APSP TCL. So here engineer is giving some vowel sound as he is a vowel, so we kept an before engineer. So we will use a or an before names of professions. Here professions mean here doctor, teacher, engineer. So before any professions we will keep a or an. When it is getting consonant sound we will keep a. If it getting vowel sound we will keep an. Next, some more examples. A or an is used before the names of minor diseases. So before minor diseases also we will keep a or an. We will see some examples. I have a headache, please leave me alone. Here headache is giving some consonant sound as there is no vowel sound, so we kept a before headache. So before minor diseases also we will keep a or an. Next example, she is taking rest as she has the stomach pain. Stomach pain is also giving some consonant sound, so we kept a before minor diseases, stomach ache. So before minor diseases and before names of professions we use a or an. Next we will see another example. A or an is used to mention the name of a person never seen or heard before. So who are unfamiliar to us we will keep a before that person. So here we will see one example. A Mr. Arvinda Kumar came for her yesterday. We don't know who is Arvind Kumar. So for whom we didn't hear any name or who is unfamiliar to us, we will keep A before that name. So here we can see that example. A Mr. Arvind Kumar came for her yesterday. So the person who don't know to us, so we didn't hear before, so we will use in that time, so we will use A before that names. Next we will see indefinite article A is used. Here we will see some examples. Before the words begin with a consonant sound, consonant letter and sound. So where we will use A means before the consonant letter and sound. When we get any consonant letter or when we get any sound of consonant, we will write A. For example, a boy, a girl, a country, a river, a teacher, a book, a table, etc. In before these words we will keep A because these all letters are consonant letters and giving some sound. So next where we will use A means before the words begin with the vowel letter and consonant sound. Here, before we have seen that when we get vowel letter we will keep and, but if vowel letter is also there, if we get consonant sound we will use A only. We will see some examples. A union. Here U is a vowel but we are getting some consonant sound. So when we get consonant sound we will use A before any vowel letter. So for example, A union, A university, A European, a 1 rupee coin, etc. We can't use an union, an university, an European and 1 rupee coin. We can't use because it is giving some consonant sound. Although it is beginning with vowel letter, it is giving some consonant sound. So we will use A before vowel letter when it gives consonant sound. Okay. Next we will see next. Before the adjectives few and little. So before the adjectives few and little, we will use indefinite article A. For example, there are a few students in the class. We will use before A when there is the adjectives few and little. So there are a few students in the class. Next example, there is a little water in the bottle. We can't say that there is a little water in the bottle. So in before few and little we have to keep A. Next, before numerical expressions means 100, dozen, 1000. Before that we have to use A. We will see some examples. I am in need of 100 rupees. So before any numerical expressions we have to keep the indefinite article called A. Next example. My father bought a dozen oranges. So here dozen is also a numerical expression. So before dozen we will keep A. So before any numerical expressions we will keep A, indefinite article A. Next we will see another. To express speed. To express speed also we will use A, indefinite article A. The train is going at a speed of 120 km per hour. So when we are expressing any speed we will keep indefinite article A. Next, before the singular nouns in exclamatory sentences. So when there is exclamatory sentences having singular nouns we will use A. What a wonderful picture it is. So it is having only singular noun picture. There is exclamatory mark. So in this way we have to use A, indefinite article A. Next we will see where we have to use indefinite article and. Before the words begin with a vowel letter and sound. So when we get vowel letter we have to use and before that vowel letter. We will see some examples. Arvind is an Indian and Bush is an American. So here I and A are vowels as it getting some vowel sound. So we kept and there. Next, I ate an apple and an orange yesterday. It is also giving some vowel sound and having vowel letter. So it is we kept and there. Next, he takes an egg daily in his lunch. Next, she is an orphan so they adopted her. He presented her an automatic watch. Rakesh is an idiot, so he doesn't use an umbrella in the rain. So in all the sentences we have vowel, letter and sound. So we used and before that vowel letter. Next, before the words begin with a consonant letter and but sound. If the sentence, if the word starts with vowel letter, if it sounds like vowel, if it starts with consonant letter, we will also keep and there. For example, he has been waiting for an hour in the canteen. Next, Mahatma Gandhi was an honest person, as it having consonant letter but sounds like vowel letter. So we used and there because R. We won't spell as our. We will spell as R. So it is getting some vowel sound, but it is having consonant letter only. But when we are spelling it, when you are pronouncing it, we will get some vowel sound. So we used and here R. So and R. Mahatma Gandhi was an honest person, not honest person, as it getting some vowel sound, but it starts with the consonant letter only, but we are getting some vowel sound. So we used and before honest. Next, before the abbreviations begin with vowel sound. So when we use any abbreviations like MLA, MP, LIC, we will use and before that, but giving that will give some vowel sound. We will see some example. He is an MLA but she is an MP. So before any abbreviations we will use and with vowel sound. If it had vowel sound, we will use and before that any abbreviations. Next, my sister is an MBA student. Prabhakar is an LIC agent. She is an SP but her husband is an SI. Prakash Babu is an NGO. So in this way we will use indefinite articles called a and. So these are the ways we have to use. So tomorrow in next video we will discuss about definite article ta. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.